If your screen turns off while you're briefly distracted, you can adjust the screen timeout to extend its duration without any limitations. And through this video, we will show you exactly how to do that. So first, go to Settings on your computer, click on Power and Battery, and under the Screen and Sleep section, you will see various options. Now you can change the screen time for options such as these options, and each option will also have a drop-down menu to the right. Additionally, you can also use the control panel as another method. Just search for hardware and sound, click on it, followed by power options. Then on the left, click Change when the computer sleeps option, and click on the drop-down menu for the Turn off display option, and choose from the available options. Lastly, you can use the command prompt. Do it by searching the command prompt with admin rights, and then enter the following command, and then press Enter. Now those are the different ways on how you can change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.